His name.
Hey Terry, what's his name with the guy with the birds?
Yellow. Can you come over
Come
here?
on over. You got to show everybody that's
Only
watching
one a
us.
cracker.
Wait, you guys
We
got
wanna
to see
put
this.
it on
It's
radio.
crazy right
Is
here.
it going to work? It's not 9
Not
o'clock
that.
yet.
There's Terry. Terry's the best waitress on the beach.
Yes.
All right, let's see the birds.
What are their names?
Got to get right in front of the camera. Sorry, Gene. Look at that,
How you
guys.
doing?
This is what Fort Myers Beach is about. What are the birds' names?
This is Billy Bones.
Uh-huh.
This is Misty, and this is Naughty. Naughty's the original Naughty Parrot from the Naughty Parrot Tiki Bar in North
How'd
Fort
you
Myers.
get
No
that?
kidding.
Yeah.
How
How
old
did
is
you
that
get
one?
These two guys are 16 years old. He's 11. She's
Yeah.
11.
Well, I know, but how did you get the naughty parrot bird? They didn't want to keep him.
Well, he got stressed out from being in the bar. That's why all of his feathers are missing. Just
Oh.
plucked them
I
out.
speak bird.
And,
Now you know.
My God! He didn't like the bar. Thank God you rescued him.
So, how do you walk around with them all day?
Yeah,
Bird.
Oh,
yeah, pretty much.
Take
Yeah.
a picture
Oh my
of
God,
this.
Gene. I gotta get a picture of that.
Take a picture
You
of
guys
that.
watching this?
Well, he's an original pirate. He just knew he had to
I
have a-
speak bird.
There you
Now
go.
you speak bird.
So do they crap all over you?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're okay with that?
yeah, I'm okay with it. I go, usually I always have a shirt on.
Well, do you have a shirt to change? Like.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do
Yeah.
you do? Walk around with them all day, just kind of showing them off?
Yeah, we're just out here chilling, having a good day at the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's beautiful out here, isn't it?
yeah, it's gorgeous.
But you know what's killing us is local news people. They're
Well,
killing us
yeah,
with their lies.
With their lies.
Yeah.
You're right. The
Yeah.
news people were
They're crazy.
lying. Yeah, they're good.
Liars.
They definitely don't want to come to our table because I
No.
said that red tide's okay. It's gone.
well, unfortunately, it's
Well, it's
not.
not really
Well, yeah,
gone,
because
but
they're releasing more
They
water.
just
I heard.
opened more water up,
Ridiculous.
And that
and
well, shouldn't the rain help? All the rain we had last night, shouldn't that help it?
no, it actually makes it worse
Oh,
because
rain.
God, I'm
that,
not
that
very,
helps the
It's so
beach
funny,
as well.
I guess I'm not very
Yeah.
smart, am I?
No, it would take something like a hurricane
That's what I heard. If we have a
to
hurricane,
carry
it'll go
everything
away.
out of here to actually.
So should we have a hurricane?
No, we shouldn't have a hurricane.
As long as it's not as bad as
just ask the people in Hawaii.
Ask the
I
guys in
know.
Are they
Hawaii.
getting a hurricane? I think it's
well,
passing
this
by, right?
morning I saw them in
No,
Hawaii,
it's going right
and
over
these people.
It is?
No, this morning in Hawaii, a lot of people were acting like there's nothing going on, nonchalant, going to the
No,
ocean.
Part of life.
Well, I mean, they don't think anything's going to happen. Some of them.
So what are you doing today?
I'm going down to the beach. I'm walking down to go have a mimosa or a margarita. I mean, a Bloody Mary.
Where at?
Salty crab. Yeah. The manager down there's a friend, and
Yeah.
she's welcomed us down there many times. So we go
How
down
do you,
there
how
and
do
have
you,
breakfast.
do you have to wash them? How do you wash them?
Just spray ball.
Yeah,
Enough?
I did it
Very
once.
well.
I had a burning cinnamon.
All right. Got it.
Parakeet.
I carry it to
Or-
keep them cool during the day if it gets a little hot.
Well, that's nice.
Do they have cages, or when you go home, they
They
just
do.
fly around the house?
They do have cages, but they're not in them.
They probably don't like to be in the
Yeah,
cage.
no. Actually, I have his with me, and I have hers with me. This isn't my bird. I'm bird sitting.
You're bird sitting.
Yeah, buddy of mine.
Bird
You advertise that? You like if you ever need somebody to bird sit,
No,
they know you.
no. There's enough people around there.
Maybe I had like 8 or 10 at the same time.
I had
What's-
six. I
six?
had 6 at one
How do you
time.
fit them all in your person?
Well, at that
You
point,
stick
I
your arms
was
out like this.
yeah,
and then,
well,
I mean, how do you
not
walk
all of
around
them.
like that?
not all of them were my birds. I took 2 cockatiels in foster care to place them.
Yeah.
And I did that pretty quickly.
They have foster care for birds.
Well,
Oh my
people,
God, just
people
like
like me
doggy
will
care?
No kidding.
Yeah.
Wow.
Misty was in foster care for 2 years, and she was in pretty bad shape as far as her
So somebody
personality.
Somebody just kind of.
They abandoned
abandoned
them. They didn't want them anymore, so they
Uh-huh.
gave them to somebody that would take them, and
Yeah.
they ended up being a foster situation. They all 3 rescues.
Any of them just take off and like come back a day later or something?
Billy took off on me once. So it took me about 45 minutes to get him back.
How do you get a bird back?
Well, I got really lucky. He actually walked.
You talk to him.
Yeah, he talked him top and down. They're actually pretty smart.
Sounds like he knows what you're talking about.
Yep.
You say his name. They ever get like belligerent, like they get pissed off and they just start.
They do.
Yeah.
They do.
What pisses the bird off?
They have their own triggers, just like people.
Moody.
Yeah. When I first got him, he had a problem with like red and orange.
Problem
Safety
with-
colors?
Like,
Yeah.
oh,
It would freak him out if we went to a construction site. All the cones and the flagmen especially
Yeah.
The guy with the vest
Oh,
and
the one
the
that-
orange flag, and you'd see he'd fly off in the back of the van and go
Wow.
hide. Yeah.
So are you married? Like
No.
Okay.
No,
I was
not
gonna say,
married.
how does this work with the?
Well, you know, you have to find somebody that's
Have you been able to find like a
Is that all right,
friendly?
Ed?
down
Girlfriend?
here.
Huh?
Fly down here.
All right.
Well, let me ask
He's
you a
on the
question. I
hunt
used
for
to
his
have
own bird.
a cockatoo.
Yeah.
And my Jack Russell, that's
Yeah.
the other one,
Yeah,
it
please.
jumped off its cage. It was our first pet named Cinnamon. And he bit it. And
That was
she
a show
died. I
right
was
there with
rushing
the
to the
bird.
vet and they
Oh,
couldn't
that's
save
so
her.
adorable.
So where do I get a bird? I don't want a big bird.
I would
Besides going to the pet store.
go to a rescue. There's in Sarasota. There's a parrot rescue, but they're going to be a bird this size bigger.
Okay.
And then
If you know
when
anybody
you
that
take
wants
them,
rescue, tell me.
when you take a pet from the rescue, you have to deal with their issues and so
Okay.
forth. Now I'll tell you this: all three of these guys
They're surprised you're
have a
eating.
bad
Gene.
reputation as being biters.
Huh?
They're all surprised you're
And-
eating something.
Oh,
But I bet
Well,
they're not.
I had a
And
light
they don't fight
breakfast.
anymore
I had,
because I've
Cup of
I-
coffee.
I bring
I
them
had a
out here
cup
to
of
the
coffee.
beach and
Apple fritter.
socialize and-
no,
because
I was
birds are
out of
social,
them.
You know, they like to
I had two
and they don't
Vita
have a
Vitas,
flock, then they'll
Vita
attack
Life
or you know create their own.
crackers
2 crackers and a
Right.
cup of coffee.
and a
I'm
cup of
glad I got
coffee.
to
Right.
talk
You gotta wither down to nothing, man.
Well, I like them out.
I'll
Let me
waste
ever find
away.
something easy to give the bird away or sell a bird. I'll be right here.
Okay.
Okay. I'm Diane. What's your name?
Well, that was
Keith.
great, Keith, man.
Okay, guys. We had a
Thanks.
great
I'll
day.
do.
You
Thank
too. Diane
Bye,
is
bird.
on the Beach Talk Radio pre-show cam with Gene.
Hi.
We can't block your view because everyone's got to see you. Here, put the glasses on.
What's wrong with my face?
Nothing's wrong with your face, Diane. Here, Gene, put your glasses on, damn it.
I can't do that. There's hat on.
You got to have the full beach effect.
What are you doing?
This is what you're watching.
Do-